So guys, I have to press that button again and the raccoon will return. Look what happens. Boom! Ooh, I got some other thing. I'm turning cooler. Oh, skunk. This is why I hate. Gotta take the skunk's food and throw it right there. Take this food. Take this food. Come on. And now take the newspaper. What else? Yeah. Just blow up. Boom. Let's see what happens. There we go. Oh. Take it. Darling guys, I'm back. So yeah guys, I forgot to do this part. Oh, it smells so stinky. Let's get the spider first, then kill him. I'm so sorry if you like skunks. Put it down below. And don't forget to leave a like if you like this video. Kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh yeah. Oh, my butt is growing. Oh yeah. I like this part. Come on, what do I do with you? Just keep clicking. Okay. I got the food. Just wait. Oh yeah. It's coming. Oh yeah. Let's do this. Okay, y'all ready? Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm going in deep, deep, deep. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let's go through this hole. Here I. How did that go so fast? I don't know. Yeah, open the window. Here we come. It takes so long. Gotta take this. Gotta take this. What the? Okay. They don't know what they're talking about. They don't know what they're talking about. Yeah, I remember. Gotta kill the dog. Oh yeah, I played this game before. A lot of people played it. Yeah, I'm so sorry, dog, but I gotta get you so I can get more evil. Let's go back. Let's see what happens if I click his face. Oh, he killed me. Why? Why? Okay. Let's drop this. Then get this. Then get this. So what happens? Boom. Okay. I don't know how to drop his. I forgot how to drop his. Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened. Okay, guys. bye. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and put a like. Bye.